All right, so we're looking at contra settlements for, all right. So this happens whenever you have, all right, someone who is both your receivable and your payable at the same time. All right. Here's a proper example. Okay. Let's say we sell goods on credit to John for 6,000. All right. So we're going to credit our sales account and debit our receivables account. So as you can see here, we've debited our receivables account. All right. So this is showing us that John owes us a 6,000, meaning John is our receivable. All right. So he's owing us 6,000. But at the same time, all right, at the same time, we purchase goods from John 8,000. All right. The journal entry is you debit purchases and you credit the payable account, which is John. All right. So as you can see here, it's showing that we are owing John 8,000. All right. So here, what we can basically do is we just subtract 8,000 minus 6,000. All right. 8,000 minus 6,000, we get 2,000. All right. So basically, we have to pay John only a 2,000. All right. We do not, he does not have to pay us a 6,000, then we pay him an 8,000. That won't be necessary. All right. We just have to pay John a 2,000. So how we can show that with accounts is you're going to credit the receivable account, all right, with a set off of 6,000, all right. So meaning with this set off, all right, John doesn't owe us any more money. Okay, John doesn't owe us any more money, all right. And then we're going to debit our payable account, all right, 6,000. All right, this is the set off. All right, so we're going to say 8,000 minus 6,000, and our balance carried down is 2,000. So this is telling us that we owe John a 2,000. All right, so that's how we do a set off. This is the case where you owe more than what the receivable owes you. Okay, where you owe more than what the receivable owes. But let's say a scenario where the receivable owes more to you than what you owe to them. Okay. So we're looking at the situation now in reverse. Okay. We sell goods on credit to John for 8,000. Okay. Remember the journal entry is we credit sales and we debit our receivable. All right. So you can see here on sales. So John is owing us 8,000. All right. John is owing us 8,000. All right. Then we purchase goods on credit from John. So the journal entry, we debit the purchases account and we credit our payables account. That is John. We credit our payables account. All right. So as you can see here, we've credited our payable 6,000. All right. So it shows that we are owing John 6,000. All right. Now, again, all right, John is owing us 8,000. We owe John 6,000. All right. So the set off again was just going to say again 8,000 minus 6,000. That gives us 2,000. All right. So that's how much John is owing us. So to show that on the tier accounts, all right, to show that on the tier accounts, again, you credit the set off of 6,000. All right. You credit the set of 6,000. 8,000 minus 6,000, you get 2,000. All right. So John is now owing us only a 2,000. All right. John is owing us a 2,000. Then we do the set off on the payable account. All right. We debit 6,000. All right. And after we do the set off, we no longer owe John any money. All right. We don't owe John any money. John is just owing us now a 2,000.